Hello, friend. Welcome back. In our previous video, we have to completed the course name for this label, actually instructor name, and now this section we also worked to make it dynamic. Okay, so all of this data will be dynamic. So better the tooltip. This is the tooltip actually. So go to the VS Code, and now here is our master, and this is the master. Here is this the tooltip, and this tooltip we just go to the tooltip here, and here is all of this. But before this, this is a cost area first, and here you will get the tooltip id actually. Where does it? Oh, maybe here. Look at this is a data tooltip content. Okay, so make sure it will be the unique. And how to make. And now, in not to make any static, I just put in just slug actually. Here is this is the course and course name slug, because that all of the course slug will be unique. And you will see that you will not get a tooltip. Go to browser here, just give reload. Fine, and look at this. No tooltip will showing, but don't worry. We just manage it. Okay, here there's a tooltip. So this tooltip, look at this Frontend dashboard, and Frontend dashboard is just view for index, and this tooltip will be arising where master. So if I use this data, actually this is the course category, and it will not in this course category it will not support it actually. So I just check it. You will be understand what actually I have to show say that actually. Look at this. Here is this tooltip template. So first we make one only, others is nothing, just remove. Fine, and one tooltip. So you think that initially the course category I will also this make the function is here, but why need for another function? So actually this will be another function is needed for this global helper in later, but I will just check it. This same function will not work actually when the tooltip. Just check it. So just for is course category as dollar data, and just for is okay, and check it and keep reload. Not to get the error, but later it caused the issue. Because of that the same things will be applied. But okay, I just manage, and when the problem is arise, then we will take action. So okay, so we need for another for is, because of the this individual codes will be show. So dollar data. Oh my god, data course as course, and okay, it's another for is actually. So fine. And here, look at this. This is the ID, okay? And we just make it change. Fine. And also this, structure will be the dynamic. Okay. And this is the anchor tag. Actually, not needed. Course, and to the course name. Okay. Okay. Look at that. This is a bestseller. We didn't want to make it, and here the same actually in this use for the post area first. This is the same things, and this is the same things I will be applying here. Okay. Okay, and this is the update. There is the another static issue. We don't want it. So yes. Okay. Here, so instructor whose date will be updated and it will be shows. For now, go to the browser. Okay, just give reload. Nice. And yes, look at this. So Laravel 11 build complete learning management system. This is the update is March 2025, right? Okay, by Josh Protila. Okay, nice. It's looking really nice. And here is a business. And here is also Josh Protila. You can check it. Look at this. That the profile name will be Josh Protila. If you think change for another name, you just get this. Okay, this is the bestseller. Okay, and here this is a bestseller. Okay, and update March 2025, and it's this total hour will be not dynamic friend yet. So later we will work on it. Actually, all of this data here. Look at this. Actually, this data comes from course goal. In the next video, I'll try for this course goal data will be shows as well as look at that. This is our wish lead. This is our add to cart feature, and this is our live project. Okay, devexplorer.xyz. If you want, you can visit it and check it. So after here, just when this is the course detail page, when you click you get the course detail page. Okay, after completing this card we just jump to in here. Okay, and also as well as you will get the course content well, and you will be understand that actually course section how does work. Actually the course section and course section wise lecture, this section wise lecture will be showing to the here. But initially here is no courses, but don't worry, and this is the course section, and here will be show the section wise course, and as well as show the hour lectures and everything. I not insert enough data, but some data will be in here. Maybe business and is data will be in here, I guess. So, and here look at this. It's fantastic, and this data will be showing here if you purchase it, and this data will be showing. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please subscribe of my channel, and I will assure you, you will if you go you if you check the complete playlist, if you get a lot of knowledge. Actually, if you are a beginner, it will lots of help, and I promise you, this project, if you keep into your portfolio, it's get the more advantage to carry or to get a job or internship or other system. You can expand your knowledge. Because of that, I just follow the industry trend, prototype, coding prototype actually. So please keep with us channel. In future, a lot of real life and high demand project is going on. I just work on other project actually as well as. And next project will be Stack WhatsApp real application, and this application also as well as the live also, you can check it here. And obviously it's a real replica of WhatsApp. So please keep with our channel, and also share of your friend or others if you interest the technology. Thank you so much. Let's see for the next video.